Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to make a tutorial on how to create Google Forms with conditional logic. So I am going to make this tutorial as simple as quick. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, what is Google Forms? So Google Form is the place where we can create this kind of a form. You can see this kind of a form and we can share with our social media platform or include our this form in our website platform, apps, and many more platform. So it gives us the options where we can get leads from using free forms. So first of all, you need to be search here. Let's open a new tab and search here Google Forms. This is the simple string you need to be search on Google. Once you click on search, here you will get the option docs.google.com. just click over here and then it will redirect you to this page and the interface will like this something. So after visiting that place, you need to be create an template or form. So for that reason you can choose this blank form, but if you visit this place you will get some by default form in here. So you can see we already have some of them, but I am going to create a form from blank for you. So let's click over here this button and here you can see this is the option where we can create our form. So I am going to make this like conditional form. So that description has been done, and from description maybe it is not important, but if you want to add something you are allowed to do it. So right now I am going to add something like subscribe our channel. That's it. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, we are going to add first questions, and the question something like different, like what kind of form you are making is totally depend on the work. Like I am making a form where I want to add some condition, so it will be something like, do you want to buy a pen? Do you want to buy a pen? And then after completing this we need to be click on add new question. We click over here and we can make it bold if you need it. You can underline it, you can insert link, you can remove. Formatting is totally up to you. Then choose multiple choice here, just click over here and that place you can see we have various like bunch of options that place. So you can choose multiple choice over that place. Let apply this, and in here you can see we have option here. So we are going to add here yes and no, and second option will be no. So it's done. Right now our work has been done. So we need to be go on the second place where we need to add section to show some different questions based on your question answers. Like if someone choose yes, then might be the question will be different. If someone choose no, then that might be questions will be different than previous one. So for that reason we need to be click on add section options. So here you can see the vertical rectangle option. Here you can see this is the element we have. We can add video, we can add section. This one in the last you can see this vertical rectangle. So you need to be click over here. Once you click over here you can see our section 2 has been created. So you need to be add different kind of questions right now. So what kind of pen do you want? This might be another question will be. So name each section based on logic. If yes, then it will be another. If no, that may be different. So here I'm going to make the section name if yes. Okay, it's okay maybe for now. Let's add description here. So description will be hit the like button. then we are going to add question inside each section. So just go over here and click over here, and now you can see we have option here to add questions. So what kind of pen do you want? What company's pen do you want? So here may answer will be something different. Let's add some answer. So here short answer text. So we need to be click on here, click on multiple choice, and here you will get option for add multiple option. So let's try to add something. We can do, yes, you can see that Matador is a renowned company in my country, so that's why I choose. And second one maybe ball pen. If someone choose yes, then they will allow to see this question again. So next we need to be apply conditional logic. So go back to your multiple choice or drop down questions and click three dots. Here you can see we have three dots over that place. So you need to be click here and then go to section based on answer. So find out where is the section based answer. So here after completing this questions answered, then you need to be go over here in this more options in the first section, in the maybe the first question. So here you need to be click on three dots. Once you click over here, they need to be select on go to sections based on answer. Just click over here, and here you can see we have the condition. Now we can easily apply those on our question. So if yes, then they will able to see this one. And let's make another questions for our no sections. Just click over here and make another section. We are going to make it if no, and we will add some description that will be shared with your friends. So now we need to be add our question over that place. So why not? Do you want to use pencil? Then first option will be yes, second option will be nay. So that's really simple, and we are going to apply on this again. If no, then maybe the question answer will be different. So let's click on the publish, and you can customize the preview. So finally you can view it as a preview. Just click on eye icon. You can see this eye icon in the top next to the customized theme. Then try selecting different answer and apply all the thing. So just click over here yes, and then click on next. Once you click on next, now you can see our logic has been applied on our questions perfectly. So when we click on yes, that prompt redirect us to a new question. What company's pen do you want to use, Matador or ball pen? You can add further more option if you need it. So the implement has been easy. You need to be quiet and you need to be focused on this video. Once you complete watching this video, you will identify that the process how much easy was. So if you don't understand anything in this video, you can preview it again, rewind it and watch it again, and you will find out that the video was simple and quick for you. And then I will give you some bonus tips in the last. That will be you submit form as a destination if a section ends the form. Always remember it. And second will be you can change multiple level of conditional logic. So you are allowed to make it so much complex if you want. Then you can combine with response validation to make smarter forms, and also use Google Sheet integration to analyze answer based on path text. So remember these tips, it will help you throughout the process you are going on. So let's wrap up the video. If you find out this video is really helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to share with your friends. Till then, have a good day.